They love their whole house except this space. They're embarrassed. Pretty much no one knows it exists. Finley and Mitch.
Look how cute.
They've been in the home for about a year, and it was newly renovated.
And Mitch is using this lovely carpeted space as his office with the white walls and the white doors and the no clothes storage.
We really need Mina and Karen to come and redesign our home office. I do not let anybody in there. There is stuff all over the floor. There is no design aspect at all.
We really need to upgrade this.
Yeah, definitely. We need to give him space that he can still work on his masters.
Yes.
But be able to have overflow from the kitchen for all their entertaining.
Can you find that thing for Dustin?
I have no idea if it's in here or not.
3 things on their wish list. First one is a desk.
Although it's a very nice homemade desk, it doesn't really look very grown up or functional.
Their second wish list item is storage.
Yeah, we can make closed storage on the desk, we can put closed storage on a credenza, but we can create some open storage with shelves.
And dry bar.
Oh, easy peasy.
Yeah.
All their alcohol collection on a piece of furniture, voila, dry bar.
Our style is mostly functional, and whatever
No,
that
it's
can
not
be.
functional. Mitch, the
Give
whole
me a
point of
second.
why we're doing this is because it's not functional.
Finley and I have a really hard time agreeing on things when it comes to the design aspect of our homes.
I need some design help really badly.
All right, so now that we've got that stuff down,
Here's
the
our
fun stuff. I think flooring-wise, having a dry bar space on carpet just feels weird to me. This one's too red.
Yeah, I agree.
So I think we're in this gray world, and I really like the idea of using EVP.
yes, EVP will be great. They have 2 dogs and a toddler. EVP is the way to go. So this color is actually the color of their kitchen cabinets, and I think you could hold up any one of these.
And it'd be cohesive.
Yeah.
We're not gonna be clashing against what they
Right.
already have.
And it'll look really, really, really nice.
And I think they all look good with the flooring color too.
Absolutely. When you make a room dark, it can feel smaller.
Yeah.
But if our desk is the same color, it's going to be like one of those infinity pools where you don't ever see it end. So it's going to make the room look bigger if we match the desk.
So this is our kind of desk. Do our floating shelves above it, and then get a good console under the window.
Yeah.
And then light fixture, like a Sputnik, but a clean one.
I have an idea to put right near the door. Do you remember the old carnival rides?
Oh, must be this tall to ride
Yes.
the ride?
We need
Just
to
so
fill
it's like
the-
a no-kid zone.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some looking for something that references this is an adult zone.
Especially with switching out the flooring. I think we've got a lot going on, but we should be able to do it for under 2,000.
That's not bad with flooring.
No, flooring, custom shelves, all the furniture pieces.
Yeah. I know we're having Tad help with the painting, and the last time I saw him paint a wall, he was using a 2-inch wide brush to paint the entire wall.
It's not a strong suit. We'll give him a couple pointers. First things first, we have to get rid of that carpeting.
A fresh coat of paint is going to go a long way. In fact, the color is sail away. Oh,
The blue turned out really good.
Hey, Tad.
Hello.
Who told you to paint before you cut in? Last time I saw you painting, you were using a brush to paint the whole wall. So, yay, improvement.
No, this is much better. This is much better.
But
I was
you're
a little
supposed
crazy
to cut
that night.
first.
Yeah.
Because you got to cover the cut line with the roller. We get our war paint if we're painting together. You don't get any because you're doing electrical.
We have to replace the basic lighting with something more significant. I really like a Sputnik for their space.
Circuit breaker's on. What? Do you want to order them or you want me to?
I was using the wrong side. Put down brand new flooring. I think it's gonna be great to use the EVP. I love you. I need a 3/4 first,
Just yelling and stuff.
but I need a 3/4 first.
I'm going to do that right now.
Okay.
Can we get a 3/4, Dad?
I'm working on it, Ron. Is 3/4 like 3/4 put together?
3/4 of the board.
Oh, is that what you need?
We're gonna build wall-to-wall shelving for the office to use for decor and bottle display. And I think the way to go is to just custom make them.
Hey, MJ. How we doing?
Those look amazing. These might need to bump up so that we have a little more room for the desk.
Shot glasses?
No, we'll just do it right out of the bottle if that's okay.
Once we've done all that, we get to the fun stuff, furniture and decor. I am ridiculously excited to have Finley and Mitch come check out the space because not only is it a really cool space, they're just really cool people and we couldn't be doing this for nicer humans. This looks awesome.
I think they're gonna love this transformation.
Yeah, definitely made it way more functional for them.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gracious. I love it. I love it. That is so cool.
Did you see that?
I really love it.
2 seats, we can work together.
I'm crying. I'm crying. Oh my God, Merry Christmas. It's so pretty.
Mitch's desk was just way too small for all the work he needed to do and the supplies he needed to keep on the desk. The new L-shaped desk is much bigger and has all the surface and storage he needs.
Do you guys feel like you can leave the door to this space open now?
Yes.
With storage added to the desk, wall-to-wall shelving, and this really cool sideboard under the window, Finley and Mitch are not going to be embarrassed anymore about showing this space off to their friends. And it had the potential all along.
How did you do this in this
Doesn't even look
room?
like
Now, family and friends will have a classy spot to build their cocktail and get the party started.
We originally thought we would be able to stay around 2,000, but with the custom shelves and changing their location once, we went a little bit over and we're around $2,200.
I really love it.
Look that way. My special touch for this space is a sign that reads, "You must be this tall to ride this ride."
I tried to hang it so you were tall enough.
No kids allowed in here.
Thank you for believing in
Yeah,
us.
thank you.
And I'm so glad you like it. I'm so glad you cried. That's always our goal, happy tears. It is always our goal to make people happy cry.
That's all we really need to say. Happy cry.
Done. Wow.